Welcome to TonnoFlip warehouse here in Miami, Florida. We are getting a couple of containers. I'm gonna show you what we get today. Nerf bars, door visors, bed mats, and much more. We just got this container. I'm about to check the first box. Nerf bars for different trucks, Tacoma, Ram, F-150. All right, let's see what's inside. These are Tacoma 3rd Gen Nerf bars, the new design by TonnoFlip. I wanna check out the packing. This is very important for us because we wanna make sure that everything you get in your house is protected, no scratches, and everything is in perfect state. So let's see, oh, look what we got here. I want you to see the packing real quick. We got cardboard here so you don't get any scratches on the mounts. We got all these packing. I'm gonna open it up so you can see if there is any damage. This just came out. I haven't opened it yet. This came from the factory, so we're about to check the quality of these Nerf bars. All right, let's see. So far, so good. Look at this. And this is what I'm talking about. This is why I work with the best factories in the world, because this is very important. Some factories out there, they just don't care about the quality and they just sell you things, but that's not gonna happen with us because we install this every day at TonnoFlip shop and we know about the product, we know about the quality. We've been doing this for 15 years and believe me, you're not gonna have no problems with our product. You're about to see it right now. New design, only by TonnoFlip. You will not find these Nerf bars anywhere. These are original design by TonnoFlip. I designed these myself, so you're not gonna find it nowhere else. First thing I'm very worried about when we get stuff is the scratches, because some factories, they just don't care. But I'm very confident. Look, I want you to see the paint real quick. Look at the paint. Look at the TFP logo on the steps. Very nice Nerf bars. You'll never see Nerf bars like this. Look at the style. Different than any other brand out there. These are the mounts. You bolt it into the factory holes. You don't need to do any modifications at all for these Nerf bars. These are for the Tacoma 3rd Gen. We have it available for Jeep JT, Jeep JK, Ram, F-150, Tacoma 4th Gen, and much more. If you want to check it out, make sure you go to TonnoFlip.com. We're about to launch very soon. We are here in our new warehouse in Miami, Florida, ready for the United States. Let's check the other one just to make sure, because the first one is 100% perfect. No scratches, no dents, quality is perfect, design came out perfect. I'm very glad this product came out as I expected it. I can't wait to see on your trucks, guys. You're gonna be able to get all these products at TonnoFlip.com very soon. We are here. We're working. We're just getting stuff every day. We can launch our website. These guys use all the plastic they had just to protect our TonnoFlip Nerf bar. Tape, plastic, and cardboard. This is how you should pack your products if you want to make sure when you ship it out, they don't get any damages. So remember, we're gonna be shipping out from Miami, Florida through FedEx. You're gonna be able to get all these products about 3 to 4 days right to your door. This is how you're gonna get it when you buy it from TonnoFlip.com. Look at that. Imagine this on your Tacoma 3rd Gen. Have you ever seen Nerf bars like this? I know you haven't. We just finished with this container and we have here the Tacoma 4th Gen roof racks, original by TonnoFlip. The first ones that came out, the first mold in the world was TonnoFlip. We also have here more Nerf bars for Jeep Gladiator, F-150, and more pickup trucks. Now, I'll be showing you some more products. I'm gonna be opening these Tacoma roof racks so you can see the quality, the design, and everything about this product. We are not just any online store, guys. We've been doing this for 15 years and we install these at TonnoFlip shop every day. I know if you've seen the videos out there, you can follow us in our social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and you'll see daily videos of these products installed in actual trucks. This is every day, guys. We test this, we live through this, and we know this product. And look at this beauty right here. These are the TonnoFlip roof rack, specifically designed for the Tacoma 4th Gen, 2024 to 2026. You can clearly see the quality of this product. Look at the paint, look at the material, TFP logo. This means these roof racks are original. Remember, the first mold ever made in the world was the TonnoFlip. We were the first one testing it, so we own this mold and we are very proud that this product is one of the top sellers for the Tacomas in the United States, and it's very good. Look, perfect fitment. You can see the videos of the installation in our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos so you can see the fitment, the quality, and everything about this product. Here's the second roof rack. Look at the packing. I'm very jealous about the packing of the products because I do not like getting products in my house with a lot of scratches, dents, damages. I don't like that. That's why we take care of the packing a lot. So when you get your products, they look like this. No damage at all. Nice quality, perfect. TonnoFlip roof rack. If you have never seen it, go to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos there. Installation, tutorials, how they look, the quality, everything. TonnoFlip. This is not everything we're gonna have in our website, TonnoFlip.com. We also have a product that many people don't know. These are the TonnoFlip door visors. I'm gonna be opening them so you can see the quality, the material, and how they look. First thing is the packing. Double layer plastic covering the door visors so you don't get any scratches during the shipment. We want to make sure that everything that you get from TonnoFlip, the highest standards of quality, because we take pride in our brand and we do this every day. So we cannot afford to have bad quality products. In our shop, we are installing thousands of trucks every year. Now, we are bringing this to the United States and you're gonna be able to get all these products at TonnoFlip.com. I know, guys, I know you've been waiting for our products, but we are here. We're still working. We are getting a couple of containers so we can launch our website, TonnoFlip.com. As you can see here, double layer plastic. We have plastic in the back, plastic up front, double layer up front, so you don't get no damage on the door visor. These door visors are made of flexible polymer material. They are not gonna break over time. They're not gonna fade away. They're gonna keep the gloss black finish a lot of years. They look completely flush on any pickup trucks, not some bulky, ugly door visors. Once you install these door visors, they're gonna look just like this, flat fitment on any pickup truck. TFP door visors, the best in the market. Another product we have here in our warehouse is the TonnoFlip bed mat. This is a Ram 1500 bed mat, and we have one here in our warehouse, so we're about to install it on an actual truck so you can see if it fits, how it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and install these on our Ram so you can see the fitment, the quality, and how it looks. Ram RSO 2026 just coming into our warehouse to test the TonnoFlip bed mat. Let's see the fitment on this Ram. This is the first time I installed this bed mat on a Ram RSO 2026. What I'm gonna do, I'm just throw it on here, slide it in, and let's see the fit. This came out the box. Very nice, covering the whole bed. Laser cut bed mat to protect that bed from any scratches. Anything you have here is not gonna be shifting forward because this bed mat is made of rubber and it's gonna prevent anything from shifting forward so easily. This is a very easy installation. It takes about 1 minute. You just throw it on the bed and this is it. Fully protected bed in this RSO 2026. As you can see here, it's covering the whole thing. Everything, the front, the sides, with raised edges. Anything you spill here, paint, liquid, whatever it is, it's just gonna stay here, and you're gonna take that bed mat out and you're gonna have protection on your bed. No liquid is gonna penetrate this bed mat and you're not gonna get any scratches on it. Look at this, perfect fitment on this Ram RSO. And remember, we have this bed mat for all pickup trucks. Are gonna be available at TonnoFlip.com once we launch very soon. This is just the beginning, guys. We're building something big here in Miami, Florida, and I want you to be part of this journey. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, TonnoFlip, so you see everything we are bringing to the United States. TonnoFlip.com, launching soon.